hello, I'm Kimberly Guillermo. Sumali sa MMM Manager School online. Thank you for Ma'am Anna Smith. Thanks you taught, teach about MMM Manager School, about financial, etc. Thanks this opportunity kasi it's my first time doing video feedback also. I'm a shy type person, but I'm trying my best to give my effort also. Um, the task is very okay. Thanks for being a good teacher also sa MMM. Thanks to Sir Jim Rudy, the founder of MMM. You're such a great man, sir. My batchmate, congrats to all. And sana marami pa tayong mga participant na sumali sa MMM. Thank you.